Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unbagging my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is the paid IPSY Glam Bag Plus. My PR came a little bit late this time of month. Normally I get it at the beginning of the month, but it still says it's on my way. Normally I get my paid for afterwards. So we're doing it in reverse this time around. So if you guys want to know the 3 choices that I picked for this and my other 2 things they gave me, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha. I love everything beauty related. This channel, we do lots and lots of unboxings. I love unboxing new makeup, so I get tons of makeup subscription unboxings. I do makeup hauls. We do, my favorite is makeup mystery unboxings on this channel, which is anything beauty related. If you love makeup just as much as I do, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so let's dig in. So this is my paid bag. This used to be $25. IPSY had a price increase. Now this is $28, which is not that much of an increase, so that's why I still stayed with them. I'm excited to see what I got. Now, what I like about this bag is you get to pick 3 items out of this bag, and then 2 of them they curate for you based on what you say you like in your survey that they have you take when you subscribe to IPSY. So 9 times out of 10, everything that I get, I do like. I mean, how could you not like a subscription where you picked pretty much the majority of everything in there? So I rarely have any complaints. I don't know why I can't talk today. But nevertheless, when you open it up, it comes in a pink bag, like the packaging bag, but I threw that out. Now, it says, the card says this theme is called IPSY Pretty Wicked. So that's the theme for this month. It is October. It's spooky season. So you're going to see all my spooky wardrobes. Now, it'll slowly get more dramatic as we get into October. But, you know, I'm still coming off kind of soft with my Halloween wardrobe. So today I just got this cool little shirt that has like all little cool spooky Halloween things on them. So super excited for that. I love Halloween gear. So let's see what this card says. It talks about that the next Glam Bag X is going to be like Huda themed. So I'm excited for that because I have a lot of her items. I've done like 3 of her mystery boxes on my channel. The last one wasn't too good, so I don't think I'm going to be doing any more of her mystery unboxings, but that's another whole story. Let's get into what you guys came here for. So I always rate the bag. I get the theme for Halloween. We got our black lips going, the black and the green over here. So I'm loving that. I've been doing black lips a lot for spooky season, for the month of October. So I'm here for the print on the bag. Alrighty guys, so this is the first item I pulled out. It is a Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. I love, like, guys, look at this pattern on this box. Like, this box is cute. And it says Witchy Warms. So it's in theme with spooky season. Even though it's not like Halloween colors, I love, like, the box. Very pretty. Ooh. These are Aisha colors. In my survey, I asked for neutral colors. I had a phase where, like, when I first became a makeup artist many centuries ago, I was all into like the green, the purple, the blue, all of those crazy colors. And I mean, I still wear them from time to time, but now as you get older, I'm just more into like my earth tones. I will always wear color, but I just tend to go toward my more neutral palettes lately. So this is the palette that I got. It's very pretty. I love this palette. It's all earth tones. So I definitely will get some use out of this palette. Oh, actually, I thought I didn't have anything from Hip Dot, but I do. I think, was it IPSY or BoxyCharm? I want to say BoxyCharm has given us a couple of Hip Dot palettes. So, but they were all like a bigger palette. I never had like one like this, 3, 6, 9. This is a 9 pan. So I am excited to try this. So first thing I got, I'm very happy. Now, one feedback I will give IPSY is I loved when they gave cards with the prices, and I don't know why sometimes they give them and sometimes they don't. They haven't really been consistent with the pricings, but I like when they give the pricings because sometimes people want to know if they got like their bang for their buck for this subscription. And it's like I said, it's $28 now, but it's supposed to be like up to like around $100 at least. So if you don't know the prices, and sometimes it's hard to find the prices for things in this bag because they do have a lot of indie stuff, so sometimes indie stuff is hard to find. So that would just be my feedback for them. Alright, so this was my choice. If you're new to my channel, then you won't know that I love brushes. I have bins and bins and bins of brushes for no reason. No good reason. I will say, like, I will always be an artist first. And with that being said, like, I just love trying different brushes to see if brushes are better for creating like a more glam look, depending on having the right tools. So I love brushes. So these brushes are black and white. They are by the brand, it says Lovecraft Beauty. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. They all say Lovecraft Beauty on them. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. There you go. You see that? Lovecraft Beauty. And they look like okay quality. I'm not going to say they're the best. Ooh, this brush is nice. I needed like a small tapered brush for like when I do like my transition crease colors. So they look okay. They look okay. I wouldn't say they're like expensive brushes, but they're doable. So happy for that. Can't tell you the price because they didn't send the prices. The next thing I got is, this was my choice as well. It's the Araceli. I don't know if I said that right. Now, I've gotten this pencil before in IPSY, and let me tell you, I thought that the MAC Smolder or MAC Feline pencil was very dark and pigmented, but these are on a totally different other level. Like, they're so pigmented. So I wanted to buy this black pencil again because it's like amazing, but I have so much makeup that like it's hard to justify buying new makeup. I mostly spend my makeup now on like mystery boxes, my subscription boxes, but it's just, I just have too much. As you guys seen from like just even me filming all the skincare I have like that I stash in my guest bathroom, like that's just not even stuff that's in my beauty room. So I have a lot of everything. Not to brag, but I do. I mean, but this is like my hobby too as well. Like I have a channel, so of course I'm gonna be buying stuff. So with that being said, like if I don't need it, I'm not gonna buy it. So I didn't buy another one of these, but I'm glad I got it now because love this pencil. I think I got it in IPSY. It's really dark, it's really creamy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this pinkish one. I'm not really sure, maybe do it in my waterline, but super excited I got this again. And they also give you the sharpener as well. So that's kind of cool. You can never have too much sharpeners. So that was that. The next thing I got is, what is this? This wasn't my choice. This is a Sugar Rush Tart. Is this a pencil? Yes, it's a pencil. So I didn't know Tarte had this type of pencil before. You could twist it, it's mechanical, so it goes up and down. This is what the pencil looks like. Oh, I have it upside down as per always. This is what the pencil looks like. So, super excited. I mean, I never get why they do, like, they give more than one pencil. Like, I'll take 2 palettes in a subscription box, but when they give, like, 2 pencils, it's like, switch it up, give something else, so that way you have a variety of things to use in your bag. But now I have 2 black pencils. Then I got a brow pencil. This was my choice. It is by the same brand. How do you pronounce this? Araceli, who knows? So I'm guessing this is an indie brand, but I got it in soft black because sometimes I do like my brows a little bit dramatic. So this is what the pencil looked like, and it's black. So excited for that. It has a spoolie on the end. So I will say my whole subscription was all makeup. So I'm super happy for that. I got an eyeshadow palette. I got eye brushes. I got eyeliners and a brow pencil. So everything was makeup related. So I love this month's subscription for IPSY for the month of October. I wish they gave like another option as far so I didn't have to have like 2 pencils. But it's fine because I want to say the pencil, they had already said that they were giving me this because you could see the 2 options that they picked for you. So I knew I was getting this pencil, but out of all the other options, like this was the only thing that I pretty much wanted. This, the brushes, and a brow pencil. So I will say it kind of stinks that like if you don't pick your choices literally in that 5 minute time period of when they let you pick your choices, you get stuck with slim picking because the options was not that great. But I mean, I'm content with everything I got because I could always use a black pencil, I could always use brushes, I could always use a brow pencil. So I definitely will use these items. I would give this an 8 out of 10 because it was all makeup and these are all things. There was nothing here that I was bummed about getting. Like I will use every single thing. Like sometimes I get stuff that I won't use. But I definitely will use everything in the subscription for this month. So I'm super excited. I will film my IPSY PR for the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus when I get it, but I just haven't got it yet. I think I'm supposed to get it maybe beginning of next week, so stay tuned for that. The next video, I feel like I literally just did an unboxing for Macy's Beauty Box, and I got another one. So maybe I got my September late at the end of the month, and now I got this a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna film this right after this video. So stay tuned if you guys want to see what I got in my Macy's Beauty Box subscription. That has been like, I want to say like one of my favorite subscriptions, and it's only $15. And I don't want to jinx it, but this has been like the only subscription for the most part that hasn't gone up in prices because BoxyCharm just put their prices up for the premium and the luxe. IPSY put theirs up as well. So everybody, Allura put their boxes up. Everybody's putting their boxes up now. So, but the Macy's Beauty Box is still $15. So they're still holding on. So I'm very happy for that. Let me know what you guys thought about my subscription for this month for IPSY Glam Bag Plus. As always, if you guys love my channel and you want to show some support, you can always give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.